Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can integrate Webflow with Adobe fonts. So to connect it, there is an article made by the Webflow Help Center that explains it all. Let's go through it step by step. So how can we get an Adobe Fonts API token? Well, create an Adobe Fonts account, which is simply by going to theservice.adobe.com. Create your account, very easy. And once you go to there, create your web project with the fonts you want to make available for your Webflow sites. Then, once you visit the Adobe Fonts API tokens page to make a new API token if you have never generated one before. Copy the new API token or copy an old API token if you have already one. So, let's call this step done. The second step is how we can integrate this API token that we have with our workspace. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the workspace settings, integrations, and then tab Adobe Fonts. So you need to go here. So this is like the workspace, as you can see. And here you will have the general settings. And then from the general settings, you can go through here, for example, and go and search for yourself for the apps or add-ons. So you can find them in here. And then go and add the Adobe Fonts. So it's very easy and simple. So once you add it, click on Save Changes, and there you go. It's very easy and simple. That's all you need to do, like literally. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Make sure that you have already an account here. Of course, sometimes they will ask you in Adobe for a premium plan, but you can skip that out. Also on the actual Webflow, you don't need any premium plan, so this is a very good thing to know about before getting started. But yeah, overall, this is how you can connect to Webflow with Adobe Fonts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you a lot guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.